Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to get terminated Roblox account back. So go to the Chrome browser or Google or search appeal Roblox account termination. After searching, you have to find first website. Click on this site and go down and click on violations and appeals. You will find there. After clicking on this section, you will be redirected to another site. Here you can see your account back issues and all of sports. So if you do not see anything here, then click on sport. After this, it will redirect you to page where you have to enter your all of information. You can also see you have to enter your device, your issue and all of your information here. At the last, you have to enter a prompt, or you can also ask it appeal. Let if I am asking, you can see here. After this, submit it and it will notify you on email. Thanks for watching. If you found something helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel.